Hello everyone, Hatamali for Objection back again with the news as we always never promised. You know guys, when I do advertisement for showing products for Samsung, I feel happy. When I show product for iPhone, I feel complicated and shit. Today we brought for you Samsung Gear IconX. This is 2018. There is two models Samsung create. The first model that is boxed by long like this, and this is the second model. And I guess they do well in the second model, okay? Let's unbox and see this bad boy. Guys, we'll see that they say 5 hours using fitness tracking and running. Now I have, in my Note 9, I have fitness tracking. This is health. And in my watch also I have, Samsung Galaxy Watch also I have. So it's this fitness tracking is extra. Voice commands I need to say, for example, Bixby call, Bixby do, hey Google. It's need to voice command and ergomatic and okay. This is to tell you about your heart, your this etc. Okay, here they talk about code theory, fitness earbuds, and here they show you how about the dynamic of voice, the mean of this draw, charging. Okay, let's unbox this bad boy and see. Okay, first when you open, you have here introduction about how to pair it, how to charge. You can read it if you use it for first time. We have here different language: English, Russian, innocent Egyptian. Okay, we have a lot of different language. You can read it if you are new of using this. Oh, this is pink color. How gorgeous! Guys, it's not a beer well. How beautiful! But listen, this is girls. I mean, this is female color. Don't you think that you are a man and you're gonna wear this? I mean, sorry, you're gonna be too gay. This is the right here. The what? See, look here. You have the Bluetooth connection button. Here, this is to show you how it's charge will know when you connect the Type C. And here you have. You press the button. It's open to charge. I don't know. This one, it's like, when it's not connected to charge, he have battery with him, or for example, Boss Sound Sport or iPods. But iPods, guys, I have iPods. They are completely trash. I go to gym, I feel shy. Every 5 seconds they fall down from my ears. Earbuds for Apple, this is completely trash. Don't even buy it. They are not for gym at all. Even to run, they will fall from your ears. You have to buy gum, extra accessories. Bullshit, you got me. Here we have the speaker. Wow, they look so thin. But guys, color is really for female. It's too pinky. You got me. Let me put it. It's gonna charge. Oh, it's charged. So this dock station, it's half charged by itself. Wow, cool! I didn't know that. See, it's lightning, so you can charge it. But how much hours you can charge, I don't know. This is really beautiful. Okay, let's take the other one and let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Should I put it? Let me try to put it in my ear. Oh, guys, look how it looks like. Gay! No, really, how it looks like. But, wow. Oh, she say composition. Oh, she open music. From where she open music? She connect by my Note 9, because I tried in shop today to pair it with my Note 9. Yeah. You hear, guys? Wait, it's full down. This is not me. I didn't drop it. Guys, even it's full down the ground, all gum protecting. Okay. No, voice looks so nice. To be honest with you, the voice looks so beautiful. Let's see what's inside the bad boy. We have here this is catalog and like this guarantee and etc. Thanks for everything. Samsung, I adore you. I swear you are the best cell phone companies in the world. See, they give you earbuds and the one around your ear, which is mean whatever your size is will be. So it will work. Guys, I advise you stay away from earbuds. They are trash as fuck. They fall down from my ears. The voice not deserve the money. Better I buy Bose Sound Sport or Samsung or Bang & Olufsen. We have here books. This box is we have a converter to Type C, and we have another converter to Type USB, and we have the USB for itself, Type C. So you connect the USB here. You got me? You connect the USB here and start to charge by your charger for your phone. So guys, I don't want to make the video too long about you. This is you have to make sure to put them well. You got me? You have to put them well that you not damage them. And you close. Wow, it's charging. This is so cool. And here it show you, it's flashing red, which is mean that it's still not charged well, because it's need charge by itself. So guys, this was my video. I just unboxed a quick review for you, okay? This was all what have. Really looks so great quality and looks so pleasure even touch. I will tell you my opinion, and I will do for you another video about how to bear it, what's the voice, how's the doom, how is the quality. I will tell you everything in my next video with Hatamali for objection, and we'll see you again on next video because I have a lot of things to show. I have Bang & Olufsen, the free one, the new one. I have a lot of speakers, a lot of things to show. So peace, love, and a lot of money for everyone.